Hey, what's up guys? So, as many of you know, my last video was supposed to have been me going to my local drag strip. Well, I went, but I was unable to take the hatchback because somebody sabotaged my car. So I'm trying to think of who it might have been that would have sabotaged my brake lines. I'm trying to think of who might actually want me dead. Thinking my wife could be in on it. Maybe it was my buddy Ivan because me and his mom were way too loud the other night. Could have been my brother because he knows my Honda's faster than his truck. All I know is somebody rusted out my damn brake lines. To be honest, maybe they were trying to help me. I was taking the car racing and all brakes do really is just slow you down. Lucky for me, and not so lucky for the person who's trying to kill me, I'm the most diligent car owner on the planet, and before I took the car racing I decided to take it for a test drive to make sure everything was in working order, and that's actually when I found out in fact not everything was in working order. So I had my old man start pulling off brake lines. Thought no big deal, I'll just hop online, grab some new brake lines. Holy shit! Well, since I guess I'm not buying factory brake lines, I guess I just replaced the rusty section with some Nycop hose. It won't ever rust, be good enough. Well, since the part in the front and the back were okay, I just cut out the middle section that was rusty and then replaced the hose and used union fittings to connect everything together. So I bought 25 feet of 3/16 Nycop line, a pack of 10mm hose fittings, a double flare tool, and a tube bender. I got the union fittings from my local parts store, but I'll leave a link to everything down in the description. We end up not actually having to make too many bends. The Nycop line is actually really easy to bend. You could probably bend it by hand, so you probably don't actually need to even use a bender if you don't have too many bends to make. The flare tool I got actually broke on me because I suck at life. Fuck. And at this point, I'm really starting to think that it was God himself who sabotaged my brakes. I was able to get the lines to work, and we can see here that the lines are on and hopefully it'll work just fine. First we need to go ahead and bleed the brakes though. Okay. I got my old man in the car pumping the brakes while I bleed them, just in case he was the one who rusted out my brake lines. I didn't want to give him a second chance. Brakes are all bled. Took the car for a test drive, brakes work perfectly. Checked for leaks a couple of times, everything's good. I was going to take the car on a test drive and film it, but it started raining, and so this car has no traction in the rain, so I said screw it. Well, there you have it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Sorry it took me so long to get one out. I was supposed to have one last week. Didn't get it. Whatever. Here we go. Hopefully next week we'll have some more work on the pickup. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked the video, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram. Thanks, guys.